Hello, my name is Wayne. I live out in Midlothian. I was having a few problems with my windows fogging up, and got a flyer in the mail and called the company up. They had a representative come out and gave me a quote, walked through the house and kind of explained to her what I wanted. And then I was talking to a couple of buddies of mine that said, no, you need to contact Elite Windows up in Powhatan. We know the owner, Andrew, and a good friend, and they do a very good job. So I gave Andrew a call, and he came over and took a look and said, you know, you really don't need windows, you just need new glass. So he walked through the house, took some measurements, and gave me a quote, and it was a third of what the original quote that I got. And you know, today, trying to find somebody that's honest in business and give you a fair price, it was just overwhelming, and he couldn't have been any nicer. Today we got 60-degree weather. His guys are here installing all the glass. They've been here for less than 4 or 5 hours and replaced 31 windows. The glass is beautiful. Couldn't be any happier. Saved a lot of money. And all I can say is if you're looking at replacing any windows, give Elite Glass a call up in Powhatan. First class, very professional, and about as honest as the day is long.